It's a toolkit series designed to help with the launch and implementation of the alternate breakfast models within schools in Kentucky. The resources available within the toolkits are to help school nutrition directors and other breakfast advocates with all the aspects of the implementation process. There are several different ways to provide breakfast in your school, all of which have the potential to increase breakfast participation when combined with providing traditional breakfast before the school day.
So a little bit about Feeding Kentucky. We are the largest charitable response to hunger in Kentucky. So yes, we help feed people, but we also address the reasons why people are hungry in the first place. We are not a food bank ourselves, but we support food banks, collaborating with them and government agencies, community organizations, schools, farmers, and other partners to create Hunger-Free Kentucky.
We are funded by local dairy farmers, and our Senior Manager of Youth Wellness for Kentucky, Melinda Turner, and I enjoy working with school nutrition programs and industry partners throughout the state to create a positive impact using dairy products.
Hunger is a reality for nearly 700,000 Kentuckians, including 1 in 5 children. And as Kate just said, since all the pandemic and everything, that's actually changed to 1 in 4. They live in every single county in the Bluegrass State. Food insecurity has a long-term impact on health, education, and Kentucky's economy. However, this is a problem with a solution. Programs like school breakfast are designed to close the gap between kids who have enough to eat and those who do not. The school breakfast program helps children get a healthy start to their day.
We have had really great positive turnouts with our breakfast in our district, and all of that was an effort by the whole district, not just in my part or my team's part. We have a couple of our principals on here as well, and they and their staff were just amazing and a huge support for our program. So would not be here today without them.
Our focus is kids are going to eat breakfast. So we start with the premise that every child is going to be offered a breakfast. Now, where that gets offered, it could be many different places, but every child's going to have that choice.
If students are eating, they're more content in the classroom. It fulfills one of their physical needs, which also attributes to their emotional and mental needs, which helps to lower discipline issues in the classroom. It also, helps students to focus. We all know when we're really hungry, it's hard to focus on anything until that physical need is met.
We want to set them up to succeed, and we want to fuel them up so they can succeed and give them every opportunity possible. Plus, it was just fun. I think Second Chance is just so much more fun.
I doubt there are many schools that don't have some terrible situations that their kids are in. And, we're kind of a saving grace in a lot of those ways, and can be for our kids. So I think that's your sell, is just, kids need to have breakfast, in order to have that impact, positive impact on their schooling.
I also think probably just the social aspect of it too is, when they first come in the mornings, they get off the bus and they come in, and when they have that time that they're able to eat and just be able to talk with their friends for a few minutes and things, and they get some of that out of their system before they get to the classroom, so they're more focused that way also, I think.
Well, research shows if they're Bailey's School, they're going to be happier. They're going to perform better. So we really want to make sure that they have breakfast. And I know with my kids and their families that 95% of them do not eat breakfast at home. So if we were not a school that ate breakfast as a class, I would make sure that, we talk to the teachers and the instructional assistants and everybody to talk about and encourage and talk about things of why we should eat breakfast every day.
I guess for myself, I would just speak, on the meal participation. Meal participation, there's more kids eating, like Ms. McElroy, Mr. Fugit alluded to, it provides them with fuel. They're ready for class. They're not worried about being hungry.
The series was designed to help educate you on the alternative breakfast service modules, and we really just wanted to try to make it easier for you and give you some implementation tools so that you can get a jump start on implementing any of these so that you can help your program increase access for all students.